Hi guys, it's Evan here at Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon. Today we've got this stunning 992 Gen 1 GTS. So the customer's brought it in for us to carry out a pre-sale check on the vehicle. So what we're going to do is carry out a full 111-point check as per Porsche standards, checking over the interior, exterior, powertrain, drivetrain, and all the other components on the vehicle, making sure it's ready for sale. I just carried out my road test and done all the paperwork on it. There were a few defects we did find, so we're going to communicate that with the customer and get those rectified. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or even looking at getting your warranty extended on your vehicle, bring it to us and we'll carry out a full 111-point check to bring your Porsche back to Porsche dealer standards.